What's up, guys? Guess what I did to the bike? I finally did it. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time now. I got an integrated LED taillight by TST Industries. This thing is really, really dope. I'll show you guys this really quick. Look at that. Oh man, it looks so good. It is incredibly bright. And there are 9 modes to do. Like, you can do like a stutter brake. I normally just, do that. So it doesn't really matter for me, but signal. Look at that. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love that sequential blinker. Now all I have to do is get an LED front signal or front signals and I'll be set. But we're going out for a ride, boys. Let's go. Okay, while I was gone, I also did some maintenance on this bike. I did every piece of maintenance that I could think of on this bike. Cleaned the entire thing. The chain is clean. I have a fresh new chain to clean. Fresh new chain to clean. Fresh new chain to ride on today. And I just feel like today is going to be a really good day because it's nice outside. It's not too hot, not too cold. This is like the perfect day to ride. I don't think I introduced you guys to the new Insta360 camera I have right there. That's the newest addition to my camera collection, and I'll be giving you guys views like this and other stuff. All right, let's get going. The bike is already feeling more torquey with my chain being clean. That Maxima stuff is not joking when they say you gain horsepower. It could be because I didn't clean my chain for like 800 miles. I had like rode the bike in a bunch of rain and whatever, so that might be part of it. It's better now, it's fixed now. I cleaned the hell out of it. I cleaned it twice actually. I had it on my rear wheel stand and I actually fucking scrubbed it like twice. Went through it all. I used a pressure washer. I know I wasn't getting too close to the paint or anything like that. Don't you worry, guys. My little Ninja 400 is in pristine condition, but I did a deep clean of the bike and it is feeling good. How's your guys' day been going? My day's been going pretty good. I'm just cruising around right now. This is my first time out in 2 days, 2 whole days. I haven't been out on this bike. I've been really tired the last few days and I'm finally back out and I'm feeling good. And like I said in the beginning, it's beautiful out here. I already know this fall weather is coming. I'm not too worried about that. I'm more worried about winter. It's a-coming. I'm gonna try and ride as long as possible before I can't. I mean, I rode in April, I rode in February. I rode when there was still snow on the ground. I rode when there was salt, debris, everything. So if I can do that, if I can ride in like 20 degrees Fahrenheit weather, then I should be pretty good. I can't believe I ever did that. If you guys didn't know that, I rode in 20-degree weather for like weeks straight. And I was going out every single day from like April to June. It was nuts. Oh, they put little buttons there for people to press now so you can actually see. That's pretty cool. That's like a blind little corner right there. You can't see anyone coming out to want to cross the road. Same here, really. You can't really see people here. If you want to see more action with this camera right here, I have an Instagram right here, Dagrov. You can go follow it. I post all my like short skit stuff on there. Oh, the bike is feeling smooth today. Oh man, it's feeling so good. Oh, once I hit the highway, that's when we're gonna really know how this bike is feeling. This is usually where I go and like post up for some pictures or whatever. I think some moisture or some water is coming out of my windshield. My mirror, not my windshield. It probably got stuck in there from the pressure washer. Oh shit. The seat is kind of rippling. I can see that. It's pretty weird. I don't know what that's all about. Of course, the tires are gonna get dirty as shit right away. I can't really avoid that. Bike is looking pretty good. If I had the choice to, I'd get some nicer tires right now, but loads of money. Loads of money. I'm not gonna do that right now. It's just not worth it. And the tires are fine too, so there's that. There's no real reason to get new tires if you don't need them, right? I mean, these are stock tires, but they're not like the end of the world worst thing you can have on a bike. Okay, we're getting on the highway. We're gonna test out this clean chain. Oh man, it feels nice. Man, oh man, it feels so good. Can you tell I'm excited through my helmet? I love this bike so much. I go back and forth between saying I want to keep it, sell it. In the end, it'll be up in the air. I don't know what's going to happen, but there's no shot we make this. If we make this, I'm a god. Okay, I'm not a god. That was really easy, but yeah, we made it. Let's go. Oh, see, and the sun just came out for me. You can't get better than a day like this, and especially since it's like September 15th today. I mean, in Minnesota, this is just beautiful weather in this time of the year. I want to know what mods you guys have done and what mods you recommend for me to do on this bike, because I've done a lot of mods, and I already know you guys are probably going to say, oh, well, do the exhaust, do the exhaust. It's a lot of money, man. It's a lot of money to do that exhaust. I know I spent all this money on that. Well, this taillight was actually my girlfriend's buying me that. It was a birthday present. I'm 20 years old now, man. I'm a fucking adult. I was joking with my friend when I said I was gonna bring my bike to see him in North Dakota. How cool would that be though if I rode my bike all the way to North Dakota? That would be after taking a road trip to Michigan, like a 9.5-hour trip by car. That would be like 3 days after I get home from that. So you think I'm gonna be able to ride my bike to North Dakota for 6 hours? You know, we'll see how I feel. That would be pretty sick though if I did that, I gotta say. Oh, we're back at CarMax. We are sponsored by CarMax. Woohoo! Bro, something smells like shit over here. It smells like someone actually shit themselves. What the hell? Oh, CarMax, I'm not coming back over here. You smell like shit. Oh my god. Oh, moving soon. God, I want him with this smell right now. Holy shit. I've been letting my chain sit for the past few days just with chain wax, all that crap on it. That's the first time I've ever let my bike sit with like any kind of lubricant on the chain. Usually I ride within like 20 minutes to 30 minutes after I do all that crap. I gotta tell you, it's really hot sitting here right now. You wanna go, person? Like go straight through that red light right there? That'd be pretty sick. Riding on a skateboard, walking a dog. That is pretty sick. I've been kind of chill today, guys. I haven't been like all over dramatic and like, wow, what is this? Yelling and all that, because my first day back and I've been really tired the past few days. Like tired as in I've been working on my bike a lot and it's been fucking tiring me out. I mean, here's a picture right here of what I had to do just to replace the taillight on this bike. It's been hell. It wasn't hell. I mean, like, I learned a lot, but like, my God, I had to do like 4 hours of work just to get that taillight on. And granted, that is my first time doing any work on the actual bike. Physical, demanding, like removing a whole bunch of screws, fasteners, and all that. It still sucks. I learned a lot. I'll know how to take my bike apart now, but like, it still sucks. It sucks a whole lot. Woo, that fall wind on my face is feeling extra good today. I should have all my vents open right now, but you guys, it will be harder to hear me. And maybe I'll just keep this one up and I'll keep the top vents open just so I can get a little bit of airflow in my head. Insta360 check, boom. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Dag back out here.
Grease monkey over there. The guy is looking at me in the window. One thing I want to do, blinkers right there. I want to get those removed. I want to replace the halogens on there. I want to do exactly what I did with the taillight. Put LEDs up there. Okay, this person has a please be patient student driver sticker. I'll give you some encouragement too. This highway pole might just be the last thing I do in this video because, oh, that guy just doesn't give a shit. I wonder how this LED taillight looks to other people. I hope it's bright enough. Stay green, stay green, stay green. Yeah, 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 yeah. Feels good. Oh, there was a hair in my mouth and the tag is going again. Look how crazy it's going. Every time I see it now, the first 10 times would just piss me the hell off. Now every time it happens, it's just fucking, I don't know why, it just makes me laugh. It's such a dumb thing. Oh, it's backed up there. Oh, fuck, it's 5:38. Why am I over here right now? Why did I take the highway? Why did I take the highway, guys? Tell me, please. Comment down below, why did I take the highway? Shit, I'm just a motorcyclist, man. If I could, I'd lane split, but the only place it's legal beagle is California, which that would be the state that legalizes that, if I'm being honest. When you really think about it, California is the only state that would legalize that. We're getting off the highway. Fuck that. I already know it's going to be way more packed all the way up there. Alright, that might be enough riding for me today, guys. I still gotta make it home, but remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life, guys. I'll post again soon. I know I haven't posted for a while. This is kind of just, you know, I've been tired. Okay, I've been really tired. Stay safe out there, guys, and I will catch you later. Let's end this one first. Boop. As that guy passes. Nice car. Alright, see ya.